Maayong hapon. We are off to the market. I have posted nga sa aming Facebook page about sa pasabay from India to Philippines and we have orders. So ito, meron tayo ditong listahan ng bibilhin namin ngayon sa tindahan. Actually, meron na kami dito. May iba kami na na-order online. And yung iba sa store talaga siya namin bibilhin. So, kailangan naming bumili so we can finalize the weight of our baggage. Then after that, I think end of today or tomorrow evening, we are going to close our pasabay orders kasi medyo marami na yung na-receive natin na orders. I'm just so happy that there are a lot of you who are interested to try Indian products, yung mga minsan napapakita ko sa inyo, yung mga niluluto namin, and a lot of you nag-place ng kanilang order. So yeah, I got my list. Let me fix your hair first. Let's go. Mag-book lang kami ng Uber guys kasi ayaw ni Abhi mag-drive kasi medyo matraffic na nga yung oras and galing siya sa gym so medyo pagod din yung kanyang katawan. So, mag-Uber. No crying later, okay? Will not ride the car, okay? Because we are just going to buy groceries. We are not riding the car. Good morning. Magandang umaga. Dito na naman tayo sa kusina, of course. Kasi oras na naman para maghanda. Anyway, nakapag-gisa na ako ng sibuyas and kamatis. Ayan, gisa na to guys. And then, nilagyan ko ng konting tubig, tas i-blender ko siya para yung aking gravy, sobrang smooth niya. Mas madali kay Mish kapag nasa school ba kasi i-dip niya lang yung kanyang chapati. And, nakapag-fry na din ako ng paneer or yung ating cottage cheese. So, i-blender ko muna to. Medyo mainit pa kasi ito, kaya hindi ko siya masyadong full force yung pag-grind. So, igisa natin siya ulit. I'm wearing my microphone kasi madalas, kapag nagluluto ako dito, naka-on talaga dapat yung aming exhaust. So, pag nagva-vlog ako, mas naririnig nyo yung ingay ng exhaust kumpara sa kung ano yung ginagawa ko dito sa kusina. Matasik. Let's add ginger garlic paste. Lagay ko na din yung mga masala, guys. Para isahang isa. Just a little bit of chili powder. Pero pampakulay lang. Lagay na natin yung paneer. Fried paneer. Let's add water. Muntik ko na makalimutan, mayroon pala akong green peas. So, ito na yung aking matar paneer, guys. Luto na to. Medyo malambot na din yung aking green peas kahit medyo nahuli siya na malagay kasi dapat iginisa ko siya muna eh. Then, I also cooked garlic fried rice para sa almusal ni Mishka and para sa school, ito and chapati. Magluto pa ako ng chapati. What is that?
One half is good, sir.
Okay. You try.
Hello everyone.
Good morning sa inyong lahat. We got busy this past few days because we have opened our pasabay orders from India to Philippines. And yesterday and few days back, we already got some of the orders for our pasabay. So we have here already, this is only for one person. So we have here, actually it's a lot of,
Cookies.
yeah, like
Wafers.
wafer. Ito. These are different flavors. Merong strawberry, chocolate, and orange. One of the best cookies dito sa India, guys. Hide and seek choco rolls. So this one. Isang tao lang yung may order nito. And yung maraming order talaga sa amin is ito, potato papad.
And actually, being in India, we were not aware of this product.
Yes. First, there are two people who inquired about this first. And I said, what is this potato papad? I have never tried this potato papad ever. Even if I've been here in India for 7 years. So maybe only now we can try this potato papad.
And we were eating normal papad, but not potato papad.
Yeah, I have not tried this. And then, turmeric powder, chili powder, Kitchen King masala. We have tamarind date chutney. And yung most common talaga na order, guys, is the chicken biryani mix and the butter chicken. Butter chicken mix. Ganyan. Abhi wanted to bring this for Papa. And ito din, isa sa mga orders na meron tayo is the pani puri kit. There's pudina pani maker inside. So there's already yung flavor para sa pani or sa water. You just have to add boiled potato, chopped onions, and then put some masala, black pepper, salt. Yan. So yan yung magiging stuffing for the pani puri, and then i-dip mo siya sa water. Na, ayan. Merong sachet sa loob. This is different flavor, Han.
This is sweet and spicy. We are giving them.
So there are two flavors. Merong pudina pani maker inside or
Like
coriander.
mint.
Mint. And this one is the sweet and spicy.
So we are preferring this one for Filipinos because you guys don't like spicy so much.
Yeah. So yan, we got a lot of pani puri orders, guys.
And few we are carrying to home also.
Yeah, for family and some friends. Ito naman is just the regular pani puri masala. So, i-mix mo siya sa water. But, hindi pa included yung pani puri na balls. A lot of chicken biryani mix and ayan, makana butter chicken.
Shipping.
Butter chicken, one.
Aloo papad.
And chat masala.
Masala. This is complete. Next you tell me.
Chicken biryani. And chili powder.
I don't see.
medyo magulo ulit. I-impake ulit ako kasi maraming mga dagdag na additional sa mga dala namin. And then, ito yung paglalagyan ng mga ano natin, pasabay items. And what is that? And marami ding dumadating ngayon ng mga orders namin. This is for us.
Masala, garlic paste.
Garlic paste. And then, ito din, meat masala. Ito mga bagong ano to guys dating na in-order ni Abhi online. Yung mga kulang namin and yung mga kulang sa pasabay. This is all for us. So, ayan. Sa amin pala lahat ito. So, we ordered garam masala, fish masala, chili powder. Ito yung mga kailangan ni Abhi pag ando na siya sa Pilipinas. Fish masala, pickles, and fish masala, mango pickles. Why a lot of ginger garlic paste you have ordered?
Because for fish,
Ah, you need ginger garlic paste. Okay. 6 pieces. Okay, it's fine.
5,
5. Different brands pa. Why different brands you have
The
taken?
maximum they were giving 2 only of 1 gram. That's why.
Okay.
Fish masala more I will buy.
Yeah. Para hindi na tayo mag-consume ng space ba. Yeah.
For our fish is fish masala only. The rest is chili.
You will know. Medyo maliit na siya.
Fish masala.
Diba? Kumpara sa if meron kang boxes. Okay. I think this you can put there in the box now, Han. The heavy items pa. Ito. Kay Abhi to. Mga supply. Supply in the Philippines. Meron pa tayo dito ibang mga pasabay. Dito yan siya lalagay. So, we are just waiting for some missing items and then, i-close na namin itong box. So, we have 1, 2, 3 check-in luggage and then yung iba, ano na, hand carry na namin. Ito din. Itong missing item dyan. Dami ng tao. First day of Durandar 2 movie. We are watching Durandar 2. This is the first day of
first show.
first
day, not first
day. That's why there's a lot of people. Sabi ni Abhi, this is his first time to watch first day.
Yeah, first time in my
Showing.
life watching first day any
Same,
movie. And
same.
thanks to Arunji. He
Same
only
to me.
insisted to
Let's
watch
go.
this movie first
Yeah.
day. And Hani is just coming from directly from office.
So, 4 of us. Si Mami yung bahala sa mga kids. Seat number?
10, 11, 12, 13.
मुझे जानते हो?
अजय सन्याल सर।
गुड। मर्द है जसकिरत। पैदा होने से मौत तक हमारा कर्तव्य है लड़ना। अपने मकसद के लिए, अपने सपनों के लिए, अपने हक के लिए, अपनों के लिए।
Interval. It's really good.
और सन्याल साहब, यहाँ लोगों को खबर फैल गई है कि हमने एक इंडियन एजेंट पकड़ा है। मुझे किसी पर तो इल्जाम डालना पड़ेगा।
उज़ैर, उज़ैर बलोच। कराची में तुम्हारे हैंडलिस्ट के ऊपर एक कोऑर्डिनेटर होगा। तुम शायद उस आदमी से कभी मिलोगे भी नहीं, बट फिर अगर मिस यू विल टेक केयर ऑफ।
The movie is done. Pinatapos talaga namin. So, medyo konti na lang to guys. But earlier, it's so full. This is first day of Durandar 2. After nitong show, meron na namang next show. So, medyo madami-dami yung tao. Our helmet. So, ngayon yung vaccination day ni Mishka. Isasama namin yung kanyang pinsan kasi para hindi siya umiyak na siya lang mag-isa yung may injection today. Are you ready for your vaccination?
Yeah.
Okay. Mimi, you're ready also?
I'll take one.
Okay. How many you will take? 2 for Miti and you, Mimi? Okay, go.
He's not like a Jackson, so he's got it.
Hiniram namin yung kanyang pinsan, guys. Dito na kami sa clinic. Who will go first? Who will go first? You? Na-condition na to yung isa eh, na ano lang, lahog-lahog.
This is just a pretend.
Pretend only. Go sit down here. So.
This is just pretend,
Okay.
not
Okay.
real.
And for Miti.
I don't want real. No, I'm telling a lie.
You have to be strong. Injection done for Mimi. But you're brave, girl.
You're a brave girl.
So what do you want next? What do you want to do? Ice cream. Okay, and Miti?
Ice cream and me.
Okay. Miti, what do you want?
Ice cream.
Ice cream also. I thought you want pizza.
Chalo, we'll get ice cream. Whatever you want. We'll get.
Ice cream first, okay?
Chalo, we'll get
Let's
ice
go.
cream, then we'll go home. Chalo.
Okay, let's have ice cream.
Ice cream
Reward
party. Chalo.
for being brave. Okay.
You are so brave, baby.
You're so brave, my love.
See, nothing happened. It's not paining also. Yes, Mishka.
Huh? Which ice cream you want? Let me see your reward for being brave. Wow. Nice.
Yummy, yummy.
Tapos din yung isa sa mga importanteng kailangan namin gawin before our trip, yung vaccination ni Mishka. So, she got influenza and Tdap or TD na vaccine. So, yung next niya na vaccination is pag 10 to 12 years old na siya. So, marami pa siyang time para maging brave ulit. Are we bringing her baby's book, Han? Just in case we might need.
Huh?
Do we need to bring this?
No. Not required.
Not really.
Hmm?
Kasi yung
We
aming
take a
mga
photo of that one.
documents, andito na eh.
Xerox will take.
Okay. Just in case. We're almost complete with our documents. Yung visa na lang yung wala. Did you check today, Han? Did you check today if your visa already is approved or not? Check natin yung visa. And Friday na today. We'll keep this. So hanggang ngayon wala pa din yung visa. Still for initial assessment. Sabi kasi nila 2 to 3 weeks. Sabihan ko kasi si Abhi na mag-apply ng February. Sabi niya hindi itayin namin 2 weeks before yung flight. Kasi yun yung sabi sa pag-email niya doon sa consulate. Nag-email si Abhi doon sa consulate sa Kolkata. And then, tumawag siya kay Abhi. Sabi niya, yun nga, 2 to 3 weeks before yung flight, yung submission. So, until now, it's not there, Han? We were delayed also, Han? First week of March also, we got busy because of the holy festivals. That's why, nung second week kami nag-apply. Maybe next week. I think it will get approved only. Kasi if meron namang mga kulang, yung mga documents na sinubmit namin, sana tumawag na sila or in-inform kami na kailangan namin mag-provide ng ganito, ganyan. Pero wala namang additional na requirements na hinihingi. So, I think our documents are good. Kung may epekto na yung vaccination niya kanina, sumasakit yung kanyang legs and medyo lalagnatin siya. Pero normal lang naman ito na side effect ng vaccination niya earlier. It's paining. It's fine. You will be better tomorrow. She will be strong tomorrow. Sumasakit yung legs niya.
Mama, help me to sit down.
You will sit down. No, it's okay. You can lay down.
No.
Yeah, boy.
I'm heavy when I'm still a baby. I'm heavy when I'm still a baby. But not.
We'll say goodnight to them. Good night, everybody.
Good